This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jonathan Dull. Don't miss this beautifully updated and well-kept 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on a corner lot, with just under 2,000 square feet of living space. The current owners had new LVP installed throughout the home in all rooms, except the bathrooms and kitchen. A new gas water heater was installed in 2023, a new roof was installed 6 years ago, and the new owners will be able to take advantage of the electric cost benefits associated with the newly installed solar panel electric system. There is natural gas heating and a wood-burning fireplace for the colder months, and enjoy a fully fenced-in backyard, which the owners just had pressure washed, just off your kitchen and living room to enjoy private outdoor/indoor living all seasons of the year. There is a one-car attached garage with plenty of space for storage, and the living rooms and bedrooms are spacious with great natural light. This home is move-in ready and conveniently located close to great shopping, restaurants, parks, and local schools. April 25, 2024. For more information, review the details below.